The Anunnaki were terrified, cried, and abandoned Earth during the 426-day flood. Ninmah screamed and wept for her children, her people. All the gods humbled and wept with her. Ninmah said they were filling the sea like dragonflies. The effect was overwhelming and brought devastation to the lands and all life. For the first 40 days, the storm and waters gathered speed and flooded the mountains. The great storm lasted 6 days and 7 nights. AM, equivalent to 213 Earth days. Then an additional 199 days passed and the mountain peaks began to appear. After 7 days, Noah sent out a dove and a raven, and they returned. After another 7 days, they stayed on the ground. Noah made an altar and prepared a meal to thank the gods.